Hi guys and welcome back. In today's video I'm going to show you how to show the speed of internet on your status bar in Samsung S25 Ultra. So let's start our video. So guys, to show that speed of internet you need to download a third-party application. You need to go to your Play Store. This is pretty safe, and you need to search internet speed meter. Then you will find this application. You need to install that application on your device first. So guys, once the application is installed on your device, just tap on open. This application will ask you to grant some permission. You need to grant that and then tap on allow. So right now, as you can see, this is the internet speed which is showing here. And so this is it. This is how you can show the internet speed on your status bar here. So guys, if you like the video, don't forget to subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care.